Good morning. Welcome on our bi-weekly community meeting. I'm Łukasz Górnicki, your host. I feel like a YouTuber. And yeah, it's our community meeting, SIG meeting, name it as you wish, a place where we discuss different topics and yeah, have an opportunity to see each other like face to face, not just on Slack. We usually start with Q&A. So some topics always that are on the agenda are maybe not interesting for all the folks. So yeah, if you have some questions or you would like to just introduce yourself to the community because it's your first call, that's the best moment. So like, at least I think that there are at least 2 names on the list of the participants that I don't think joined before the this call. So yeah, like folks, would you like to, if you want to introduce yourself, it's not that you have to, but yeah, you have an option. So like, that's the best moment. Okay. Time's up. And before we start, I forgot to mention something that I started mentioning a few meetings ago. So please remember, folks, that this call is recorded, and because we have to record it for the transparency reasons, and we're going to put it later on YouTube to share with the community. So yeah, take it into account if that's a problem for you. Okay, so let me share the agenda. Oh, wait, there's a message in the chat. Sorry, I didn't notice it. So there's a message from, and I apologize in advance if I pronounce your name not correctly. So Shreyansh, at least that's how I would read it in Polish. So we have one guest that, yeah, awesome. Thank you for understanding me. And yeah, he cannot speak now, but yeah, we have a guest from India here. So we have people from Poland, Spain, and India so far. So yeah, let me share my screen and show the agenda. Can you see it? Okay, I'm gonna make it. Whoa, way too big. Okay, so today on the agenda we have 3 topics. The first one, unfortunately, we're not going to talk about it because I don't see Vladimir on the call. But the good news is that the first topic that he put here, it's actually almost resolved and almost merged, and will be available in 2.3 release. And the other stuff, yeah, we need to wait for Vladimir to actually have a discussion about the subjects. So yeah, using this opportunity, let's jump into 2.3 release of the specification. So, oh wait, okay. So the current state is that we are like almost ready. So yeah, again, like this pull request from Vladimir about deprecating the ref property. Once we merge it, I guess we're going to merge it today. We will be ready to perform a release. There will be no more things that we're letting into the release branch. So if you want to start updating the tools, please do. We had a chat with Dale. Dale is the release coordinator for 2.3 release. So we are like, we have an agreement that we will do a release next Monday, which is the last day of January. So you still have 1 week to update your tools. So, and to release updates on the day of the release. Letting my eye in directly to Maciej. So if you did not yet started working on converter, that's the now you can freely do it and not worry that we will push something into the release branch. Any questions from anyone regarding to the 3 release? Something not clear?
Hey, Likas, I'm Atharva from India.
Hey, man.
I just wanted to ask some questions, not from these releases, but I have some other questions about Async API. Sure. Remember, I messaged you on Slack a day ago.
Yeah.
So I've just started with Async API and I'm reading its code base on GitHub, and I want to know more about, because I want to contribute. It looks like my tech stack matches it, but I'm unable to contribute. I'm unable to contribute because I don't understand its code based or its project. So is there anything I can do?
Do you have some specific project in mind? Because we have like 50 something repositories.
Yeah, I was looking at a generator project. So async API generator. So I was looking at it, that HTML template, Java template. I was looking at several repositories, but yeah, that repository looked quite familiar, but still I can't understand. So
we're here to help. So luckily, not sure, like if you joined, we talked yesterday. Yeah. So you joined just recently, so you're not aware of all the things that we're doing here. So one of the things that we're doing for contributors to help out, like start contributing, we host a dedicated Let's Talk About Contributing live stream, where we discuss like specific topics. So like you as a contributor, you can say like, okay, I need some more explanation, or on generator, for example. And then we will have a session dedicated to generator to explain the code base if you need this explanation, or to explain like how create the templates that you just mentioned, like HTML template or Java template. And the good stuff is that we actually kicked off these live streams with by actually talking about generator. So I'm gonna send you a link to the live stream that covered generator. So definitely would advise you to have a look on this live stream, because that was a live stream that basically we started doing for one of our contributors that is now a member of the technical steering committee, Anand. And like he actually wanted to rewrite one of our Go templates. And he also needed what you just said, like an intro, like what's the concept behind generator and how it works. So that's why I'm not now jumping into this topic and explaining it from the beginning, because it's all explained in this video. And so my advice is look into this live stream. And as I said, I'm just looking for the link. And also I will send you a link also to a project that is called Template for Generator Templates. So it's like a template project for someone that would like to write a new template from scratch. And this example project has all the features that generator gives you. They are all implemented in this template for templates. So it's also a nice way to learn like what certain features of generator, how they work and what they give you. So let's check. Okay, so this is I have a link to the live stream about generator. Where is the chat box? Wait a minute. Okay, so that's the link to the live stream where Anand joined me and we talked about generator. And the template for generator templates. Ay. And that's the template for generator templates. So in case of generator, these are two resources I would recommend you to have a look at. Most important is the live stream where we discuss the features of the generator. And don't worry, like if it's not enough, if you still need some more explanation, just go to the how to contribute channel, show your question, and we can do another live stream. I don't see a problem with it. I'm now not doing those let's talk about contributor live streams because now I'm fully focused on making a better experience to organize the meetings that we have here. But if there is a need to do this live stream about generator, I can do it ad hoc. It's not a problem. And yeah, we're here to help you out.
Thank you. It really helped. I appreciate it. Thank you.
No worries, man. No worries. It's good that you joined us and asked the questions. Sometimes for us, it's not so obvious, like how to direct someone and where. So yeah, thank you. Any other questions from anyone? Okay, cool. So the last topic is GShock. GShock, yeah. So maybe let me start with this. Around, I thought it was mid of December, but it was actually beginning of December. I created this discussion about like my proposal of 3 main directions we should go this year to scale our AsyncAPI community. And basically the 3 these 3 paths are one is the conference, and the second one is participation in GShock and other similar initiatives, and working on a AsyncAPI ambassador program. And because there were no, like basically people were all only excited about the things. No one objected. So I already started researching how we can participate in Google Summer of Code this year. So just an update from my side, we will definitely participate like we did last year, because like we as a maintainers, we loved it. And the cool stuff is that many GShock participants stayed with us longer and now are part of our community. So if you're watching a recording or you're in the meeting and you're interested with Google Summer of Code, we will participate for sure. Applications are open starting in February, so we still have time to apply. And now I will be reaching to our maintainers to ask them if they want to also participate as mentors, because the success of GShock is not only in the amount of people that will apply, but also our capabilities of actually mentoring as many people as we can. The good news for maintainers watching this recording is that we will have much more people engage with us this year in GShock. Last year we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. Excuse me, I don't remember, but I remember names, of course. But now I already counted that in January we have already 10 people engaging with us in Slack. And most of them, I think actually all of them, I just talked with 7 of them, are interested with participating through Google Summer of Code. So there will be many people interested in helping us out here and learning from us. But it means that we also have to have a good, strong group of mentors. So, the follow-up communication with mentors and maintainers will go out. And just wait for the announcements, for the information. We're gonna post it on Twitter, on LinkedIn, in our Slack for sure. And something more like additionally also interesting, I think, is this. Like so we, as I said, like in the proposal, we I wanted to ask to engage not only in Google Summer of Code, because it's like it's just 3 months of the year, and would be nice to join other organizations, because that's one of the things we want to embrace here at AsyncAPI, to attract as many individual contributors as possible, to have really strong and diverse community here. So I had a call with Hargun, that is representing Open Force organization. So we already talked like, okay, that's another organization that we could join this year as well, to attract students from outside the community to come to the community and learn through contributing. And it's gonna start in March for a short period, which means, of course, we cannot push there a big topics like implementing some new tool from scratch, but we definitely can, together with with this community, work on some simpler issues that we simply cannot complete on our own. But we can still help as mentors and help on pull request from others to complete the tasks. So that's again something that I will send out to maintainers, because again, like in case of GShock, we need mentors, and we need issues. The most important is issues, because with mentorship, I don't think I'm worried much, because we are anyway super responsive on pull requests. So yeah, we anyway have to do it. We anyway have to be helpful. So we don't need to like convince anyone to be a mentor, because we are actually mentors daily on pull requests. More important is to triage the issues we have in our projects, to make sure that the issues we have there, they're still valid, they're still needed, they have a good description, and therefore these issues can be picked up by anyone. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it for now. I will continue my journey here, and reading and checking out all the different organizations like this Outreachy, or also like in the discussion we had so many different proposals, so many different organizations. And yeah, I was thinking about providing some kind of calendar to make sure we can actually handle all the organizations. But yeah, let's see. Any questions from your side, folks? No questions? You sure?
Hey, Lucas, I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Can we focus on Google Summer of Code if I have started just now? Means I have 1 or 2 months, but can I target GShock? Because I know I have pretty much experience before. I have contributed to open source, but this is my first project this year. So can I target GShock in this much time span?
What do you mean, like target GShock? Like, if you can
Target means
apply, or
yes, I have. Can I apply? Means that's what my question.
I
Can I
mean,
apply to GShock?
yeah. So like these rules, I don't think they changed in GShock, so anybody can actually apply. They did not yet provide the specifics, but last year how it worked was that we were simply providing a list of ideas that people could work on, and then we were like, people were coming to us, but through GShock application forms, and you can apply from there. And of course, there's a difference if you just interact with us only from through GShock form, and there's a difference if you interact with us like you do, like already jump into the community and want to help. So it's you already started better, because I remember last year we were picking up mainly people that interacted with us before GShock, because this community bonding is the most important stuff. So yeah, you can definitely apply. You can definitely apply, but it would be interesting to also focus your contributions in the direction where you would like to contribute in the project. So the thing is that last year in GShock we only pushed ideas that we had. We did not receive any ideas from applicants, because that's also an option that applicants can bring proposals. So I think this year it would be nice. That's something also that I have to confirm with maintainers, but I think it would be nice, and I already told it to a few students, that you can actually make a proposal what you want to work on, because like we have many repos, and I think the best is if you're doing what you're most motivated with. And the only crucial thing here is we of course need to have a mentor for a given idea. So that's how you can focus your contributions now. So if you, for example, will go through the wait, something happened with my Chrome. Sorry, I lost track. Yeah, so you can, like, for example, let's say you are now going through the live stream about generator, and you like how it works. You like the concept of generating code. You like how the React template engine works here. And let's say in the issues in generator, you already notice some issues that are like challenging. Yeah, you see, you would learn a lot, and they seem to be complicated enough for GShock. You can also like be faster than we are. So you can like just contact us and say, okay, I'd like to apply on GShock, and I see you have this pretty important issue. Like, would you be interested if like I do it through GShock? And then of course we jump into the issue, we see if it's super complicated or if the feature it's actually still needed, etc. It's a matter of discussion, but might be that that we will end up accepting your proposal and then just having a mentor from our side that will guide you through the process. But of course, the traditional is that we will anyway provide ideas from our side, and you can just pick one of those and apply for to one of those. Did I answer your question?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, and this year, an important information. Like last year, when we applied to GShock, we were not yet part of Linux Foundation, and it was our first year, so we had not much experience, and we were not accepted as AsyncAPI. But luckily, we joined through Postman. So Postman company that some of us work for was accepted for Google Summer of Code, and they offered us that we can push some ideas through Postman. This year, we will apply as AsyncAPI individually again. I hope that like by showcasing how good we were last year, they will accept us. But also today I have a meeting with good folks from Postman that like might be that we will have this backdoor again. So at least I'm not worried that we will not be accepted. But we will anyway announce how we got into GShock and where AsyncAPI related issues can be found in what organization. Might be that we will be on both, because last year we had many Postman employees just joining as mentors, even they don't contribute full time to the organization, and they were super helpful for students. So yeah, if whoever is watching the recording, you're working for some company that also wants to apply on GShock but also help AsyncAPI, let us know if you can be our backdoor into organization as well. Okay, any other questions? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Okay, so I'm gonna have a question. Shreyansh, do I recall your name correctly that you are interested in helping me out with this concept of meeting as a service? Okay, cool, awesome. So just information from you because you're in the call, I'm in the call. Today I'm starting defining the all the issues that we will most probably have to do, the research that has to be done around. So I'm gonna keep you posted there in the how to contribute channel, and let's start working on it. Okay, I guess I think I covered all the topics. Let me take a look on the agenda just to make sure. We could not discuss topics from Vladimir. We talked about GShock and release 2.3. So everything looks good. So yeah, thanks a lot for joining, folks, and especially all the important questions about contributing. And yeah, see you in 2 weeks. And in 2 weeks, we will meet in the America's friendly time zone. And it's going to be February. Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.